Kaseng hitu kala ai da kejing ujor halor kejing phat thungkam Marcus Marak ya kawai ka kampion hakatrat program implementation and evaluation claim the court interview satya kaseng rali ai da kejing tho au assistant director jogani katrat trekam bar kala berngam ru balada kani katrat kamla arpin sange ni pin shai halor kani ka benta kan ai da kam kot ma shi yang bishar
Who said that we are who said protest? Who informed you that we are going to protest?
If you have any protest, I
No, who told you that you can appointment, yeah?
No, no.
Yeah.
Yes, then you talk to them. Come.
Who said that we are going to appoint?
To whom they were telling?
Assistant Director. Ada report sih, ada report. Mbak Nelson. Bersama saya dorang. Hadian bangiyok gawe ke sthi ka halor ke sthi ke blapha do minister jung ka PHE soil and water conservation Marcus and Marak hangni ke sthi ka bakat pratarik mi arhajar arpulai ula tho chu director jung ka program implementation and evaluation phat secretariat nokrek building local lachmer wong gumne ba enclosed, please find her with the application along with necessary testimonial certificate in respect of Srimati Jenny G. Momen, daughter of late PG Momen, who is applying for the post of a peon in your office against existing vacancy she held from a poor family background and the sole breadwinner of the family, who is a petitioner mother expired during the 2021. As such, there is no support to her kanegishti ketika bala pha to minister jong PHE bat jong soil unju Marcus and Marak tena kalian kujungi ni tho da kanega memorandum kashti show director jong program implementation and evaluation Ram Kumar hangni ngila highlight bangila ong ba kat leo bamentali ka kep ngidang yatai bahaya halor kadang ton ka debate halor ka roster anem ka ta ka roster reservation dan ka roster polisi hane ka te reservation polisi apa ko jala ko jungi te habangi page pat ya kata ka jing tha ko jung kamba long be an claim the court kata ka advertisement ka exam dan process ke prepare tengi nakaliang ko jungi ngimdon problem ngimdon iya itu inong apply ta ka kam henry de jin ba ilek de kalenti ka badai kamut kata ka de kalenti ta ka bayat deki rule and procedure tingem dan jingwet henry la deki mut banle sop tang number baki dan jing itho pat hangni ru ban suong ba iwan na kalong yeng ko baduk ha po jala me khla jungi indai tang mai henry deki hazar mut ki long yeng ki bawan na kalong yeng baduk lada ai ne ko mut ye ki be de banai te na kaleng ko jungi hangne ngila tho ba yagane ko post de ban court advertisement pat de ban yai ru de exam gini tai kat kum ka leti jong ka pat kat kum kani ke jingle ka balong be an sikat de ye namar ba mla ban thungkam pat ngi kwa ru ban pan jingi jing shai na ko sarkar ba balai ga le kum ni hang ni claim mention ye ka permanent claim mention ye ka contractual henry whatever be henry ka NPP hi la ne chief minister hu la ong ba karup kom thungkam thungjam manta kan dei ko ba khoj ko bospa henry balai gadang mi nang ne kumban shu banrap le dei kan dai kata ka NPYF le ne kata ka seng kita ki National People's Party kita ki kunhon samla ki on we will fight against corruption ngin pit kai sha pementa ki nut ne ban kren yo ne minister jong ki le ne yo to MLA candidate le ne uta bo la yo konteng na ta NPP hato ki nut ne ban kren persya yu halor ki ni ki kam la da kan dei ka 89 days ru jing shisha la dei ban khot pe ka advertisement namar ba menta kat kum ka to ka rustar ru kala dep kan la basai te balai dang yele sop kane kam dei ka ike hendai ka dei tang ban shukwa ban penhun yiki kato kan tengi na kalian jungi ye ka kam ka ba yede hi ka corruption la ne ka bam sap ngi ne khon bek namar ba ai bu tei bu dei hok ban yo dei ban yo